Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Welcome to my channel. Fanane video ke manga the glossary them portion chi dega bas study ko online number points among sarazi international. International matlab de involving or relating to two or more countries. Balum sara lash razi that sara adjective de or de mana the abundant ya green ya and flourishing often used to describe landscape or vegetation. Balum sara majestically razi the adjective de in a grand and impressive manner. Balum sara razi marathon the noun de or the manner an extraordinary and often unexplainable event or phenomena. Well, nameless razi without name, yeah, undefined, yeah, or anonymous. Well, parasite chide. Well, organism that live or in other organism often harming them in the process. Well, peculiar razi peculiar unusual or strange in a way that is distinct or characteristic. Balum picturesque usually attractive in a charming or quaint manner. Precious precious adjective of work of great value or importance. Preparation, the act of getting ready or making something ready for specific purpose. Proclaim announce or declare openly and officially. Radial they arrange or spread out in a circular or spoke like pattern. Reown matlab the adjective famous and well known for a particular quality or achievement. Resemble to have a similar appearance or likeness to someone or something. Restore they brought back to a previous or better condition. Safeguard they a measure or mean to protect or secure against potential harm or danger. Sap a precious gemstone typically blue in color. Scenic adjective of having beautiful or picturesque view or landscape. Self-center focus on itself and one's own interest to the exclusion of other. Serenity a state of calm and peacefulness. Significant weight the adjective important yeah noteworthy. Simplification the act of making something simpler or easier to understand. Speculate to make guess or assumption about something without having complete information. Starving suffering from extreme hunger yeah stunning extremely expressive or beautiful. Surround to encircle or to be all around something. Surrounding chile the area of or environment around a particular place or object. Suppress to prevent or stop something from happening or becoming down. Teenage chile the 13 wala 19 year puri sumra khalaki da age seshede the sumra age khalaki no age tamga teenage wayu. Ugliness no the quality of being unattractive या unpleasing in appearance. Ulterior the hidden or conceal often describe hidden motive or intention. Undiscovered no the not yet found or reveal unknown. Unreasonable no the adjective the manada not guide any by reason or logic irrational. United join or brought together as a single unit. Victim a person who has suffered from harm, injury, loss as a result crime, accident or other unfortunate event. Weeping chide crying or shedding tear. Worsen matlab the verb to become or make something worse. No the glossary chide dwem fort padi video sara zamanga the class 8 English chide aga khatam show inshallah for next video ki bamanga ya maths portion shuru ko the class 4th na ya ba inshallah the class 9 English chide aga ba shuru ko da basta 25 bandi ka tasu wai chi maths shuru kai no comment section ki waya ka tasu wai chi da English chide da class 10 puri waras wai no hum tasu wai da Allah fa aman.